Okay.
Hi everyone, my name is Ulises Garcia. I'm a junior at Pashos High School, and this is my 1944 9N. I originally got this tractor. This is my first year at the Chevron TRC, and I decided to get something easy and manageable, and that can be done in a year. This tractor is not like any other tractor. I painted it baby blue and orange. The reason for it is that Ford has a supercar in the GT40. They first raced against Ferrari at Lemans in 1966. Ferrari was a big thing back in the day when racing at Lemans. They won back-to-back races and were everything. Ford wanted to go out there and make a difference and be a champion at this race and beat Ferrari at its own game. They failed at first, however, after a few tries, they succeeded. And when they succeeded in a Ford GT40, being in the colors of baby blue and orange. And that is why I decided to paint my tractor baby blue and orange in honor of the GT40. Next, we're going to go through the components of how to operate this vehicle. As you can tell, we have the voltage, the oil pressure, the manual transmission, my clutch, left brake, and right brake. This tractor operates on independent braking. Now ignition, turn on the ignition. I have 12 volts. Release my back brake. There we go. And I'm gonna start the tractor in neutral. And take a nice click. I'm now going to engage the PTO using this lever. This lever engages. I'm now going to lift up the hydraulic. I'm going first trim point. My 1940 Ford 9N. Hope you enjoyed it.